everyone, Dr. Kathy Malloy, physical therapist and fellow of orthopedic manual therapy here at Physical Therapy and Wellness with Dr. Kathy. Today we're going to go over a stretch and strengthening exercise combined. I issue this a lot for neck pain and shoulder pain. We're going to work on opening up our chest muscles while we strengthen our upper back. So we're going to feel pulling across the chest and the upper back muscles contracting and working. You're going to find a blank wall. You are going to be far enough forwards that your low back touches. We ideally want your chin to be tucked so the back of your head rests against the wall. This is your starting position. If you try to go against the wall and your head is tilting back, that means that your thoracic spine is really tight. We need to loosen that up, but for right now, we're going to meet you where you're at. So if you are too tight to get your head against the wall without tilting back, you're just going to put a towel, a pillow, a sweatshirt, just ball something up so your head is supported, but don't try to force it back. So chin tucked, core is engaged to keep the back against the wall. You are going to try to get your pinkies to touch the wall. So if for some people just getting the pinkies against the wall is really hard, this is where you're going to start. If to get the pinkies to go against the wall, you are finding yourself arching your low back or tilting your head up, that's cheating. You're not ready yet. Stop at whatever point you feel like you're going to compensate. If you're getting pain down your arms and your deltoid in the front of your shoulder, we're not ready for this. Maybe try it laying down first. But we're going to get you there, chin tucked, core engaged, back against the wall, pinkies go back. Some people, this is the exercise. Some people, if you could do it, you're going to start sliding your arms up and sliding them down. And we're just going to go this way. I don't want you going out wide. I want you to try to keep it narrow. Small ranges at first is fine. Meet your body where it is. Again, it shouldn't cause any low back pain, front shoulder pain, deltoid pain. As far as how many and when to do them, if you're a current patient of mine, we've already talked about this, but I hope if you're not, you've given it a try, and let me know in the comments if you like it. Bye, friends.